In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on iPhone 16e if it is not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your iPhone 16e is giving you trouble and it isn't powering on, then follow the instructions in this video to address this. First of all, I would recommend letting it charge fully. So, if you have been using it for a while, or if you recently acquired the iPhone 16e and it isn't turning on, plug it in using a cable, so usually a USB-C cable, into a USB-C power adapter plugged into a wall outlet. Let this charge for 30 minutes or up to an hour. Letting the iPhone charge fully is the very first thing that you should do. By allowing it to charge fully, you will be able to ensure that the iPhone is not dead and that it is going to be usable to its fullest potential. So let it charge, and once you believe that enough time has passed, then try pressing and holding the power button. If you have already tried this, or if you just tried this and it didn't work, then you can move on to alternative steps. Try replacing the cable, so ensure that the cable is not the problem, and you can try a different power adapter. If you are absolutely sure that the cable is working, maybe it is brand new, then another suggestion that I have is to perform a force restart. This will be done by pressing these buttons in quick succession. So I'm going to list the order that you will have to press them on. First, press and quickly release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. And once you do this, press and hold the side button, aka the power button. So you have to do this in quick succession. Press and release up, press and release down, and then press and hold the side. So for these ones, you press and release quickly, and for the power button, you press and hold. This will perform a force restart. So if there are any sort of software glitches, it will prevent them from turning the iPhone on. So by doing this, you will get rid of those temporary glitches. If this also fails, then sadly you could have a major problem with your device. So in that case, it would be better to talk to the customer support to see what can be done. As a last resort, you can try connecting it to a computer to see if it indeed shows up and it is being detected. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on iPhone 16e if it isn't turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.